Hello, hair enthusiasts. Are you tired of trying countless products to achieve that smoothie, silky, and healthy, thick hair? Well, today I've got the ultimate solution for you. Your hair will thank you, I promise. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of natural hair care with an amazing DIY hair mask that will smooth, repair, and hydrate your hair. If you're tired of dry, damaged, or frizzy locks, this video is for you. We'll be using a blend of nutrient-rich ingredients that you probably already have at home. These natural components are known for their powerful benefits, from deep hydration and repair to enhancing your hair's natural shine and smoothness. Stay tuned as we walk you through this easy, step-by-step recipe to transform your hair and give it the love it deserves. Using natural ingredients for hair care offers numerous benefits, particularly in smoothing, repairing damage, and providing hydration. Here's a detailed look at these advantages. Smoothing. Natural ingredients help to smooth hair cuticles, which can reduce frizz and leave your hair looking shinier and more manageable. Ingredients like avocado. Rich in vitamins and healthy fats, avocado deeply nourishes the hair, smoothing the cuticle and reducing frizz. Coconut oil. Known for its ability to penetrate the hair shaft, coconut oil smooths the hair from the inside out, reducing protein loss and making hair look glossy and sleek. Aloe Vera gel contains enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp and acts as a great conditioner, leaving your hair smooth and shiny. Repairing damage. Natural ingredients can repair damaged hair by providing essential nutrients that strengthen and rebuild hair strands. Eggs. Packed with protein, eggs help to repair and strengthen damaged hair, restoring its natural structure and preventing breakage. Honey. A natural humectant, honey attracts moisture and helps to seal it into the hair, which can repair damage and prevent split ends. Yogurt. Contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates the scalp and proteins that strengthen hair, helping to repair damage and prevent further breakage. Providing hydration. Hydrated hair is less prone to damage, breakage, and frizz. Natural ingredients are excellent for providing deep moisture to the hair and scalp. Aloe Vera gel hydrates the scalp and hair, reducing dryness and itchiness, while also adding a natural shine. Honey. Its natural humectant properties draw moisture into the hair, keeping it hydrated and soft. Coconut oil. Known for its deep conditioning properties, it hydrates and nourishes hair, making it softer and more resilient. Incorporating natural ingredients into your hair care routine can lead to healthier, stronger, and more beautiful hair. These ingredients are free from harsh chemicals, making them gentler on your hair and scalp. By using natural products, you can effectively smooth, repair, and hydrate your hair, promoting overall hair health and enhancing its natural beauty. Step-by-step preparation. Smooth, repair, and hydrate your hair with a DIY hair mask. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. Step-by-step preparation. Cut the avocado, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a mixing bowl. Measure 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add it to the bowl with the avocado. Measure 2 tablespoons of honey and add it to the bowl. Crack 1 egg into the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt to the bowl. Use a fork to mash the ingredients together until you get a smooth, well-blended mixture. Alternatively, use a blender for a smoother consistency. Application. Start with clean, damp hair for the best results. Applying the mask. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mask to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. Ensure all sections of your hair are thoroughly covered with the mask. Once applied, cover your hair with a shower cap or wrap it in a warm towel to create a mild heat effect, which helps the mask penetrate deeper. Leave the mask on for 30-45 minutes to allow the nutrients to absorb into your hair and scalp. Rinse the mask out thoroughly with lukewarm water until all residues are removed. Follow up with your regular shampoo to cleanse your hair. Overall, you can expect your hair to look and feel smoother, stronger, more hydrated, and healthier after using this DIY hair mask regularly. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning how to create this amazing DIY hair mask. It's an easy and natural way to smooth, repair, and hydrate your hair, giving it the love and care it deserves. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Give this mask a try and let us know how it worked for you. Try the mask and share your results in the comments below. Did it leave your hair smoother and more hydrated? We can't wait to hear your stories and see your beautiful hair transformations. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below. Remember, your hair deserves the best, and this hair mask is here to deliver just that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips and DIY recipes. Thanks again for watching, and happy hair care!